What is up, you guys? Back at it again, Gap City Squad. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the sunroof in a Mark III Jetta. This goes for the Golf too. And yeah, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget any of those. Okay? There we go. You are going to need this tool. You're going to want to open up your sunroof a little bit for this, so you can get to the screws, those, and one right there on both sides of the sunroof. We got all the screws removed. Now this thing will just pop out. The reason I'm replacing it is because the previous owner glued the sunroof down, probably because it leaked, but it's disgusting. But anyway, now that the sunroof is off, you can grab your other sunroof, place it in the same place, and start putting the screws back in. Get inside the car, make sure it's in the right position, which it is, and start bolting her down. And just like that, you got a sunroof, fully functional. A nice tight seal. Works great. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.